Hello guys, today we are gonna unbox Vivo V20 phone, which comes under 25,000 rupees price range. So yeah, it has two variants. We'll discuss about it later. And we're gonna give our initial impression so that you get an idea of this phone. So let's start. So let's take the box and unbox it. So first, looking at the unboxing, I mean the box, it has a cool gradient finish of blue color, which is initially so beautiful. And let's unbox this now. So let's cut the seal off and open this box. So first, after opening the box, you'll get a paper box inside the box. So yeah, under that there is a TPU case of transparent color and some warranty guide and quick start guide and warranty information and SIM ejector tool. So yeah, looking at this TPU case. Yeah, at the first glance it is nice and a bit weak actually. So yeah, let's take out the phone now. So let's open this from the cover now. Oh god, I love this color a lot. It is so gradient and so nice to touch on the back side of this phone. And let's keep the phone aside and see the components inside this box. This is a Type C phone, so they'll be giving you a USB 2 to Type C charging wire and some in-ear microphone earphones, which means you'll also be getting a 3.5mm headphone port in this phone. And it is a Vivo flash charging 2.0 brick, which is of 33 watts. Okay, now let's see the physical and overall overview of this phone. So yeah, it has an in-display fingerprint and sensor and has a dewdrop camera system on the front side. So it has a plastic frame on the sides and comes with a Type C charging port and has a mono speaker sensor. It has engraving of power button and the power button and the volume buttons rockers are also of plastic. So there is nothing there on the sides except SIM tray. And on the back side it has a Vivo print and camera bump. And yeah, this is the overall view. And yeah, it has Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the back and the front on the both sides, I say. So yeah, man, this color is awesome actually. Even after you're looking this video and you haven't liked after seeing this color, man, are you serious? Okay, yeah, let's put this thing up and see how much time it takes to switch on the phone. So yeah, I think it took about 10 to 15 seconds of time to boot up. So yeah, let's start this. And yeah, the apps are loading now. So yeah, this is the interface of the phone. And it has a AMOLED display of 6.44 inches of screen size and has a 87% screen to body ratio for the overall phone. And yeah, it still has 60 hertz display refresh rate. So yeah, it is not so crazy spec. Yeah, now let's check the SIM tray tool. And yeah, it has a triple card SIM slot, so you can keep two SIMs and a SD card simultaneously. So yeah, this is a physical overview of this phone. I mean Vivo V20. Let's look at the spec sheet of this Vivo V20 phone. So the main highlight of this phone is camera section. So in the rear side, it has a primary camera of 64 megapixel with aperture 1.89, and secondary camera has a wide angle camera of 8 megapixel and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Coming to the front side, it has an enormous selfie camera of 44 megapixel with eye autofocus. So yeah, camera is the main highlight of this phone. So let's come to the downside of this phone. It has a Snapdragon of 720G, which is slow processor according to this price range. So yeah, processor is the main negative thing of this phone. But I think Vivo and Oppo phones are like this only. So yeah, they doesn't focus on processor much. They just need some cameras, that's it. Coming to the battery section, it has a decent size of battery, I'll say. So it has 4000 mAh of battery, and in the box they'll give a 33 watt flash charging support adapter. So it will charge this phone really quick. I mean, not that quick, but it is quick. So it will charge up like 1.5 hours is enough to charge it completely. So talking about the display section, it has a 60 Hz Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a protection of Gorilla Glass 5 on the both sides, front and back. And yeah, actually, to be honest, I like this color a lot. So it has a gradient matte finish, and it doesn't attract fingerprints much. So yeah, I like the display too. So hello guys, this is a video recording test of Vivo V20. So we are currently recording in 4K 60 FPS. So stability is currently off. So I mean, you can't set the stability to on in 4K 60 FPS. So still it is stabilizing well. So yeah, you can check the camera quality of 4K 60 FPS video recording in Vivo V20 this. So yeah, this phone also have picture-in-picture mode, so that you can record both front and back at the same time. So yeah, you can see here. I'm switching the sides.